Good morning, my dear students, and welcome you to today's video. I explained you nth term of an AP. So today I am going to teach about sum of first n terms of an AP. How? Let's see. So here write let A be the first term and B be the common difference of an AP. Okay, let A be the first term of an AP and B be the common difference of an AP, and as you knew about the general formula of AP, and your general formula is what? A plus T, A plus 2T, and your nth term is A plus n minus 1 into T. Got it, students? This is the general formula of AP, and this is your what? This is your nth term, and nth means this is your an, and it is otherwise known as your last term also. Got it? So this is the general formula of it. Now Sn denotes the sum of first n terms of an AP. So your Sn becomes, means Sn denotes the sum of the first n terms of an AP. Sum means I have to add all those things. So your Sn becomes A plus T, A plus 2T, like the same, A plus n minus 1 into D. This is your nth term. So see here, see on your right hand side, D is increasing, but on your left hand side, D is decreasing. So if here I want to write the before term of your nth term, say, so what will become? A, it will become A plus n minus 2 into D. D. Got it, students? So I can write here my before term A plus n minus 3 into D, like this only you have to write. So Sn is equal to A plus D plus A plus 2D, A plus n minus 2 into D and A plus n minus 1 into D. Let's take this one as equation 1. Then if I will write this one in reversal, then my Sn becomes, here write, rewriting the terms in reverse order, then Sn becomes, this will come first, A plus n minus 1 into D, then this one A plus n minus 2 into D, then plus, suppose here A plus D and here A, and let's take this one equation 2. Got it, student? Now I am getting my equation 1 and equation 2. In equation 2 you have to go in reverse order, means that will come first. Got it? Then on adding equation 1 and 2, on adding equation 1 and 2, look at here. First left hand side you have to write, so Sn Sn plus Sn, 2Sn. Then you have to write your RHS side. So look at here. I have to add A with A plus n minus 1 into D. So A plus A is your what? 2A plus n minus 1 into D. I am adding A with A plus n minus 1 into D and I am getting 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Got it? Then I have to add A plus D with A plus n minus 2 into D. So look at here. I have to add A plus D with A plus n minus 2 into D. So A plus D as it is. A plus n will multiply with D and D minus 2 to D. So A 2A, C here plus D minus 2D. Minus 2D means minus D plus ND. Okay, so 2A. If I will take D common, then n minus 1. Okay, so I am getting my value here also 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Got it? Then look at my first equation. A plus, this is my first equation, this is my second equation. Again, I have done already these two. Then I have to add A plus n minus 2 into D with A plus D. A plus n minus 2 into D with A plus D. Look at here. I have already done here. So A plus D plus A plus n minus 2 into D. So it will become 2A plus n minus 1 into D. So here write 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Again these two you have to add plus again it will come 2A plus n minus 1 into. So look at here students. I am getting the equal value in each term. Look at it. 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay. So after that what I have to do? So here write 2Sn and here I am giving you one example. Suppose 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. It will become 5, means in other way I can write 1 into 5 means here the number which is repeating, 1 is repeating here. So 1 into how many times it is repeating? 5. So the number, you have to write the number which is repeating and how many number of times. So look at here. Here which number is repeating? 2A plus n minus 1 into D. So here write 2A plus n minus 1 into D is repeating. And how many times it is repeating? If I will say n times it is repeating, then is it correct? Of course it is correct. So here it is repeating n times means this one is multiplied with n. Okay. Then these two will go on your right hand side. So your Sn becomes n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into. Got it, student? Then and this is the formula of your sum of nth term of an AP, which is n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. So in other way I can write n by 2 into 2a means if I will write a plus a. If I will write a plus a in place of 2a, then so look at here. As you knew that a plus n minus 1 into d is your what? L. So n by 2 into a plus n. Okay. So in your question, if first term and last term is given to you, then only you will apply this formula. Otherwise, you will apply this formula. Got it, students? So these are all about the sum of first n terms of an AP, and it is very easy. Just you have to know what is the value of first term, what is the value of common difference, and what is the value of n. After that, you will find your sum of n terms of an AP. Got it, student? Did you understand? If you understood, then let's try one problem. Question is, find the sum of first 24 terms of an AP 5, 8, 8. Got it, student? You have to find the sum of first 24 terms, and your AP series is 5, 8 and 11. Look at here, students. Here, this is your first term. So, A is your first term. So, here I can write A is equal to 5, and find the value of D. D is your what? A2 minus A1 means 8 minus 5 is 3. Then number of terms means n is equal to 24. Then you have to find the sum. Then your formula is your Sn is equal. First, write the formula. N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So n is your 24. So put the value of n here. S24 is equal to 24 by 2 into 2 into a 5 plus 24 minus 1 into d 3. So 24 by 2 is your 12 and 5 2s are 10 plus 23 into 3. 12, 10 plus 23 into 3 is your 69, and 12 into 10 plus 69 is your 79. So, if I will multiply 79 with 12, so 9, 4, 8 will come. 948. Okay? Got it, student? Hope you understood. So in this way, you can try your any type of sum and see all the examples and try to solve your exercise 5.1 and 2. Okay, got it? So see you in next class. Have a nice day, students.